being a mindfulness is aware of what we are doing at the present.
Mindfulness was born in India, and I'm here, for the Mindfulness in India Summit, which I'm finding to be very interesting.
I came to this conference and summit trying to understand what mindfulness is all about. It's an amazing place because it has a composition of people from all walks of life.
We have a lot of people from the ABG as well. We have people from Empower also, from the school also. So it just goes to show that mindfulness as a concept is a very, very important one.
I think this is a very important summit for day and age where we need to bring back the focus on being happy, mental well-being, quality of life, attention that we need to pay in where we are losing that focus with the rat race that we are in.
Conversations like this, summits like this, convening experts, leaders, facilitators, business leaders together to have those conversations around how to be more mindful, and not just in the work environment, but also just as human beings. I think it's really important for our times.
I believe that having a good message, I think all the speakers are having a very good message to all the audience. And by having a good message to people, that will expand to other people who will tell about to their friends what they have learned here, and that will create good in the world.
I feel that this time around corporate world and is so stressed up. So we have a lot to offer for that.
As an artist, as a Bharatanatyam dancer, practitioner, learner, teacher, I am someone who believes very strongly in the idea of mindfulness.
I think this is great work that they are doing, because mindfulness is something that we all have to achieve and move towards.
Every aspect of life requires us to be present, to be in that moment, because otherwise, why are we doing it?
And I think mindfulness is important both from a personal perspective for individuals to be able to be better professionals, better people, and be better leaders.
We are helping the world somehow, even if it's a little bit.
India, with its knowledge and wisdom of ancient scriptures, of meditation, yoga, and traveling inwards, has always been the land, in fact, of mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply not a question of success in the corporate field or in governance or administration. Mindfulness is wellness and health for the planet, for the spiritual well-being of the planet. And I am grateful for the organizers in focusing on this aspect at this stage of humanity, which is such an important aspect.
Without mindfulness, it can be very challenging for companies to create quality output because people are constantly distracted. So we really need to cultivate this culture.
So this summit, I believe, will help in increasing productivity and being more mindful in day-to-day life. So that's why I'm here.
I think mindfulness has been at the core of any human development or reality that exists.
With multiple thought leaders coming and sharing their point of view on the subject of mindfulness, I hope to benefit a lot hearing all of them.
I was curious when I read through the program and all the details. It was very real as to the corporate challenge that we face these days, and how we need to be mindful of how to manage ourselves as managers at workplace, how to deal with stress, how to be emotionally intelligent.
और यहाँ पर माइंडफुलनेस पर जो साइंस पर वर्कशॉप होने हैं, इकिगाई पर होने हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्कशॉप्स और सेशंस होने हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होने वाले हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए.
And the reason I'm here at Mindfulness Summit today and tomorrow is to learn and explore more opportunities about mindfulness, and obviously meet a lot of world leaders in the space, which is one of the reasons why I'm here.
I realized I need to be more mindful at work, but especially I need to be a more mindful parent. So for me, the objective was learn how to be a more mindful parent.
And I was really looking forward to understanding how does mindfulness enable organizations to see a larger benefit, not just at the individual level, but at the team level.
I just attended a workshop. It's all about productivity of the employees, and it's not just personal and professional. It's combination of both, and it helps discovering individual.
There were many workshops in between the conference, which helps us interact with the
speaker directly understand the small nitty-gritties of mindfulness and how you can achieve it, how you can incorporate in your lives. So it has been overall a superb experience for me.
I was really impressed to see the number of speakers coming here and the kind of acclaimed people in this area who were there, who were sharing their knowledge, wisdom, and that attracted me to this 2019 conference.
I must congratulate Manish and Shalini for organizing this Mindfulness Summit. In fact, it's one of its kind completely. Normally these summits are done abroad, and he's called so many international speakers. I'm very, very happy to attend this.
I've attended this mindfulness event for the first time today, and I think it's a fantastic initiative.
I found the summit to be very refreshing and insightful.
Totally enjoying the experience. It's a very eclectic program. We have people from all over the world.
I'm looking forward to the next year already.